Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel InfoRosan. And friend, many students believe that artificial intelligence is only for the engineering or computer science students, but that is no longer true. Today, AI is being used in marketing, business, finance, content creation, human resource, education, healthcare, and many other fields. And because of that, understanding of artificial intelligence has become important for everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you a free internship on the AI available on the All India Council for Technical Education, that is a AICTE internship portal, in collaboration with the EduNet Foundation and IBM Skill Builds. And I will explain everything step by step, including the eligibility, benefits, and what type of certificates you will get, and what types of project you will do, and whether you should apply or not. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Friend, this internship provided by the IBM, so it has a great value. So please do this internship if you are the freshers and college going students. So friend, you can see we are at the official page of the AICD internship portal, and you can see the internship title is given, that is a EduNet Foundation IBM Skill Build Artificial Intelligence for Non-Technical Students. So if you are the non-technical student, then you have to definitely do this internship. So first, let's look at the important details. The internship is offered by the EduNet Foundation, and it is the virtual internship, which means you can participate from anywhere in India. And the start date is immediate, and the duration is the 6 weeks. You can see, and the stipend is here nil, but you will get the certificates and other perks like the project experience and the networking opportunities. And one thing that immediately grabs attention is that number of openings. So you can see here the number of openings are the 5,000. That means a large number of students can participate in this program. Now, before you think about applying, let's understand what is exactly this internship offers. So according to the internship description, you can see this program is especially designed for the non-technical students. That means you do not need to be an engineering or coding expert. The objective of this internship is to introduce students to artificial intelligence and help them understand how AI is being used in the real world. The program includes weekly virtual workshop focused on the AI technologies. And friend, this internship aims to help students gain practical knowledge while improving their career readiness. And friend, this particularly useful internship because AI is becoming part of almost every industry today. And whether you want to work in finance, or you can say in marketing, in the production department or the management, AI knowledge can give you an advantage. So you can see here the various types of perks are also given here. You can see you will get the project based focus environment. You will get the mentorship from the experienced professionals, and if you have any doubt in this internship, you can ask during your virtual meetings, and you can showcase your AI skills by working on the innovative projects. And in this startup video, I have told that you will get the sample certificate once you complete this internship. On the top you can see the logo of the IBM, AICT and EduNet. So this type of certificate you will get, which you can add in your resume and in your LinkedIn profile also. And friend, talking about the beginners students, this is extremely helpful because many students struggle because they don't know what to learn, what to start, or which resources to trust. Having mentors here can make the learning process much easier. And you can see here, friend, who can apply here. There is a long section is given. Please read it properly before you are going to apply. But I will tell you in this small form that students from the BA, BCom, BBA, MBA, journalism, media studies, economics, psychology, social works, and designs, and many other non-engineering programs are eligible. You should have access to laptop or computer. You should have a stable internet because this is the virtual internship, and you need a valid Gmail account because this is the government internship. So you need the Gmail and some other documents like the Aadhaar card. and most importantly, you should have an interest in learning artificial intelligence. This good thing is that no advanced coding knowledge is required, and this make it beginner friendly. Now comes the most important question, that should you apply? My answer is a yes, especially if you are in a beginner. Let me explain why. First, AI is one of the fastest growing fields in the world. Second, this internship is designed especially for non-technical students. That third, it provides a project-based learning. Fourth, it offers a mentorship. And fifth, you receive certificates after completion. And finally, there are 5,000 openings available. These are all positive points. So, how you will apply? Before going to check that, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs, and internship and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So for friend, first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you will be come to this page here, and then you have to click on this apply now. And if you are not registered on the AICT portal, you have to first register. And once you friend have, then you can directly log in and apply. And if you didn't register here, then you have to click on this register now, and you have to provide some basic details like your college details, your university details, and your Aadhaar card details, because this is the government website. So you have to provide the Aadhaar credential here, and then you have to review and apply. So friend, once you apply, then application will be sent, and you will give the further updates either on your email ID or on your phone you have provided. So wait for that. And if you have any question regarding this internship opportunity, please comment on the video. We will definitely check your questions and provide you the answer. And please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.